Hello everyone and welcome back to our newest video. With you as always me, Wrapvirus, and this time we have one of the biggest cars here in our studio. Escalade came all the way from Switzerland on tow truck, and we're gonna install paint protection film on entire body. As well, we're gonna tint headlights, taillights, and we will protect a few parts inside the car. And after we're gonna finish with it, this car will go back to Switzerland on tow truck. It's super cool, and customers takes such an effort to bring the car such a long way, so we could do the job. So let's get started.
Left it to the bank like ha 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 ha. Go, go. Left it to the bank like ha 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 ha. Yeah. I got it in 10s, 20, 50, 100s, 10s, 20, 50, 100s, 10s, 20, 50, 100s, 10s, 20, 50, 100s. Left it to the bank like pedal to the floor, need no brake lights. In the dark, watch me make light. I'm a star, got no stage fright. Please don't get me mad, I'm a nice guy. My baby say I'm cute, yeah, I'm type 5. I be waking up when you go night-night. In a different zone, what's the time? Left it to the bank like ha 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 ha. Ooh, go, go. Left it to the bank like ha 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 ha. I got it in 10s, 20, 50, 100s, 10s, 20, 50, 100s, 10s, 20, 50, 100s, 10s, 20, 50, 100s. I get it, I flip it and continue. I've been going dumb, I've been going mental. Going up, I'm on another level. All black clothes like I'm metal. Little this and this, little Ricky Rick. It's my grandmama, I'm her Nicky Nick. I just wanna love, but I've been hit or miss. I might up and leave, yeah, take a pic.
So, Escalade is almost finished. No, I'm kidding. But passenger and driver side is done, bonnet as well is protected, and now we start to lay gloss black accents on it. Mirrors done, handles done, and at the moment I'm preparing roof, because entire roof will be wrapped in gloss black. So let's begin.
Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Aim off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go, ice wall, ice wall, ice wall. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process, and I only know it takes time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gon' make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate now. For my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in.
As well, this vehicle owner asked us to protect this middle console with paint protection film because we cannot find any templates for this vehicle for interior parts, so we're gonna make our own templates. It takes time, but it can be done. We just need to use a lot of our time. Yeah, we're gonna draw everything on transfer paper, then we're gonna take a picture, we're gonna create a file, and then we're gonna plot using plotter. And after that, we need to install inside the car. That's how it's done. So guys, Escalade is finished. We installed paint protection film on entire body, including gloss black accents. All these gloss parts are protected with paint protection film as well. Also, we installed tinted PPF on the headlights, fog lights and taillights. We put a very dark paint protection film on the turning signal. As well, we installed gloss black vinyl wrap on the mirrors, roof and antenna. And as you saw before in the video, we installed PPF inside the car on one main part. So, with you was me, Wrapvirus. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and I will see you next time.